Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll introduce you to the Call Any app, the AI where you can actually video call. I'll show you step-by-step practical guide on how to download, install and sign in on this app so you can start talking to Annie today. Call Annie is an AI chatbot assistant that can interact with you through video call with the help of app or phone. It is basically a conversational assistant. So let's get started. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and search for Call Annie. Just tap install and wait for a second and open it. Here you select your interest and I'm selecting language learning, mindfulness. According to your interest you can select. Tap to continue and again continue, allow notifications and simply click continue with Google. Google account. It takes few seconds. Create an account or sign in an existing one to save your chat history, track your progress and much more. Just simply click on continue and here we go. Maybe later. After successfully installation, we simply adjust the settings. See, here are a lot of characters with whom you can talk. Just select according to your interest and start the conversation. You can ask Call Annie anything, like literally I'll show you how it start the conversation. Just tap on it. It depends on your internet activity. If your internet is good, the response is good. Hi Annie, can you tell me how does AI work in daily life in short words?
Hey Therager. AI helps us in daily life by doing things like recommending movies or music, powering voice assistants, and even helping with online shopping. It's like having a super smart helper. What about you? Have you noticed any cool AI stuff lately?
Okay, thank you. Can you give my audience a motivational quote also?
Absolute lie, how about this one? Believe you king and you're halfway there. It's a great reminder that self-belief is key. What's something you're working on that you could use a little motivation for?
We just simply click on three dots and select the vocabulary level, beginner vocabulary and slow speech, etc. It depends on you. We can also give prompting and close. If we want to ask questions directly to Annie, just simply click on mic and ask the question. You can also select this keypad and type anything you want to ask.
Got it, how about?
Okay.
Hey Theory, how's it going? What's up?
You can also open the chatbot interface and ask any query in message form, like this: give me 5 simple it give you respond within minute. Here we go. The great thing is Annie can speak in multiple languages like English, French, Italian, Japanese, and Urdu is still in processing. If you give a command in Urdu, it is not actually giving you in Urdu. That's all related to Call Annie. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and app review. See you in next video.